Doesn't look like it, but it is a working tool. Robert, how do you shoot your videos, POV style, showing both hands with your phone or action camera with this tool right over here, which is a magnetic mount? But it doesn't have to be used to work. If you want to use for example, a fishing session or playing games on your phone or even cycling or anything else that you want to show your both hands, this is great. This is called the Telesyn 2-in-1 neck mount. It is magnetic and it's the one that I've been using for the past few months with different phones, and it's so easy as just placing right this horizontally, or I can flip vertically if I want. This is the Google Pixel 9a, but if I want to use the Huawei Puda 70 Ultra, there we go. I just need to have a magnetic cover, which I do in every single phone that I use. This is the iPhone 16 Pro, and we can use also the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Now, if I want to use a action camera, it's quite easy. For example, I use the DJI Action 4, and I just need to remove this part here and then placing my DJI Action, which is the one that I use on bikes, which I honestly prefer than using phones. Although it's completely secure, but I can get more viewing angle out of this, and it's easier to put on my neck, and I simply don't see it. While the phone, it is a bit larger if I want to record like this. If I want to record like this, it's heavier. Now, this is super flexible. Now, if I want to put it in a position like a tripod, for example, or even better, sometimes I use this technique, which is to remove like this with this button here and then hug it to a pole, and I can squeeze it like this, for example, and then just put it here, and there we go. It is on a pole or something like that, that we can do whatever action that we are doing, either with the phone or with our action camera. And the way that it works is simply as pressing this button here, which it's a similar system like a lock, and once we place it in here, bam, it's locked, and that is it. I will need to remove it like this. It's really well constructed. This is rubber right over here, but inside there is a metallic, really strong metal, so it's not going anywhere. One thing really important that I do feel and notice compared to other models that I've used in the past is this rubber here. That is the part that will go against my chest, and it's really comfortable, so I can ride a bike during a few hours without feeling that it's hurting my chest. Usually I use it with any of these phones in my projects, like for example installing a video doorbell, which is something that I do occasionally here, or showing how I powered my house using a portable batteries, setting up a Shelly device that shows your shower water temperature, or simply footage while recording the Shelly app, for example, to open my garage door, or even the latest smart irrigation valve. Basically, a lot of the videos that I do right over here on the channel, I use this tool. I will leave some links down below, but basically anything that I want to show POV style, and I want to show, sorry if the microphone will pick anything because it's right on top of my mic, but I can simply show you this, and it's natural. With my movements, I will get a really cool footage, and it's really simple. By the way, it has a few accessories which honestly I don't use. This is a safety cord that I can put on the phone just in case the phone falls, and this one right over here is something that I can put here, and then it will go on my back and it will hold here, so it will prevent it from jumping. But honestly, even riding the bike, I don't see the need to use this. But depends, if you are more aggressive than me, if you are jumping with your bike, then probably this will make sense, and it looks like it's comfortable. As I said, I never used it, but it looks and it feels like it's comfortable. Telesyn has a few models, some of them just for mobile phones, which is cheaper, and some of them only to action cams, which is also cheaper. Now, this is a 2-in-1, and depending if you are doing like myself, that today I use a phone and tomorrow I use a action cam, then this is the one that makes total sense. But if you only use a phone or a action cam, then I will try to leave some links down below, because it will be cheaper than the combo one. And if you are already using one of these devices, please leave a comment down below, or if you are thinking about getting one, leave a comment down below. What are you going to use it for? And if you have any videos online and you want to share with this community, then great. I will be more than happy to check out those links and see your video and give you a thumbs up. Talking about thumbs up, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.